Hi, I'm Jason, and I'm going to give you 4 ways to sign a document using an electronic signature. This is going to work for laptops and phones without having to download any special apps. Let's go. The first method is using your real signature. So all you're going to do is take a blank piece of paper, handwrite your signature, and then use your phone or a scanner to take a photo or a scanned copy of that handwriting and upload it to your computer, whether that's by email, iCloud, Google Drive, OneDrive, whatever you use to get stuff into your computer from your phone. Usually email's the fastest. I've already went ahead and done that. As you can see, this is not a perfect photo, but that's okay. So now that we got our signature, all we're gonna have to do is crop out the stuff we don't want, so we just have the signature. Now on Windows PC, you can just use the Smith and Sketch app, or if you're on a Mac, use Shift, Command, and the number 4 all at one time. The pointer will turn into a crosshair and highlight, and there you go. So now we have just a crop of the signature. And if you want to keep this forever, go ahead and save it to your desktop or wherever you want to save this. If you're just going to use this one time, you can just do Control-C or Command-C to copy it. You can also click this button here if you're on Windows to copy it. So I'm showing you just how to get your real life digital signature, but I will show you how to add the signature to Microsoft Word or a PDF after I show you the other methods and use Microsoft Word, the offline version, so you have to have the actual app on your laptop. But if you don't have it, that's okay. I'll show you how to use the online free version right after this. But what we do is just go to any document we want to sign, go to Insert, Picture from this device, and then we're going to open up the signature that we made. So here we go. Now you can see it's kind of like pushing all the other text out of the way. This little guy here should appear. Use QuickBat and look for the one that says like in front of text. That's the one I like. So now you can put this anywhere we want. And you can just quick drag and make it the size you want it. So I'm going to this dot and just create more space. And there we go. Now, if you don't like the background, I'll show you right now an easy way to remove the background instead of having it look like this. Most people already have their favorite background remover, but in case you don't have one, Adobe has a free one versus it. I'll put the link in my description and pinned comment. And the photo we're going to upload is the picture of our handwritten signature. Quick handwriting, that's when I saved mine as. And there we go, it removed the background. So now we'll just click download. So I'm going to call it the handwriting BG free for background free. Hit save. I'll go back to our Microsoft Word. Delete the one we originally had. Go back to Insert, Picture from this device, and I'm going to grab the one without the background. And there we go. So I'll make it nice and big so you can see it. So that's how you do it if you have Microsoft Word on your computer. But if you don't, you can just go to office.com, sign in, and you can use the free version. So I'm going to do that now. So instead of creating a whole new document, I'm going to actually upload the one I've been showing you. So I'm going to exit out of it so I can upload it and do a quick upload. Okay, so here we go. So it's trying to load my picture. I'm going to delete my picture. And same thing, just go to Insert, Picture from this device, and then you edit. There we go. And that's how you do it. We're going to go over to our phone now, and instead of taking a picture of our handwritten signature, what we're going to do is use the phone's photo app to take a picture of a blank piece of paper and then modify that photo using the markup feature to draw our signature. So take a photo, blank piece of paper, then click on the photo to bring up the editing features, and the markup is the fourth button, and from the right for iPhone, it looks like a tiny little marker. And then down at the bottom, you have all the different markers and pens you could use. Find one that you like and the color you like, and just use your finger to draw your signature. It's up to you if you want to save this onto your phone, because you're going to use your phone to do the signing. I'm going to use a computer again, so I'm going to email this to myself, and I'll see you guys back on my computer. Now, whether you're using Microsoft Word online or the offline version, if you don't want to use a picture of your handwritten signature, the other method is to go to Insert, Drawing, go to Draw. You click this little black pen, and you can also change the color of it if you click again. So if you want a blue, and then you can just write using your cursor your signature. Click Save and Close. And there we go. It looks almost real, like a handwritten signature, I guess. That's for the online version. If you're using the offline version, it's slightly different. Instead of having to go to Insert, then Draw, they already have a Draw tab button. So you just click Draw. Click on this one, and there's actually more colors available, it looks like. So this is like a rainbow starlight thing. So I'm put down that, and as you can see, it changes colors, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's using Microsoft Word. But what if somebody sent you a PDF and you gotta sign it? So let's run through that. Okay, so now I wanna show you how to sign a PDF somebody emailed you, whether that's using Adobe's online PDF editor or if you have Adobe Acrobat on your computer. So first up is what we're actually gonna be signing. So here is a PowerPoint I created for an award. This is the easiest way to treat this, so that's why I made it in PowerPoint. But we have to get into PDF. So I want to also show you this trick of how to save it, PowerPoint into PDF. Let's go to File, Save As, and then browse to save it to wherever you want to save it. And then instead of saving as a PowerPoint, we go to PDF. Now we're going to go to Save. So now, as you can see, we have a PDF of our PowerPoint. So now we want to sign it, and in order to do that, you just go over here to this little signature thing. It's a little pen. Click on it, and you click Add Signature. And there's three methods to do it. We could type our name. It's one method. We can draw, just like the other one, or add an image. We'll click Select Image, and this is where we select the images we uploaded. So this is the one I want, the background free one. Click Open, and there we go. Click Apply. Now as you see, it's movable. Click the drop. There we go. So those were the three methods you can add a signature to a PDF. And this was using Adobe's Acrobat on my laptop. But if you don't have it, you can go on their PDF editor. So I'm going to exit out of this so we can upload it. And then I'm going to click Select File, and I'm going to open up our PDF. So as you can see, you have to sign in order to use this free online version. Just like with Microsoft Word, for the online version, you have to sign in. So I'm not going to do that because everything's exactly the same as I just showed you. Once you sign in, as you can see at PowerPoint, PDF is on the right, and it's exact same setup. So to save time, I'm not going to show that, but I'm going to now move to how to do this on your phone. You can use this website on your phone as well. So I know I said you don't have to have an app, but I highly recommend getting the Adobe Edit PDF on your phone from your app store, whether it's iPhone or Google. It's a lot easier than using the website on your phone. So I'm going to show you how to get the app on your phone. Okay, let's do that. I'm just going to show you real quick how to get the Adobe Edit PDF on the App Store for iPhone. It's pretty much going to be the same for Android as well. The reason why is when I search for it, it's not the first one. So I want to make sure you guys actually get the correct one. So in the App Store, just search for Adobe Edit PDF or use this QR code on the screen. I have both Android and iPhone. And you're going to want this one that looks like the Adobe's official logo. So once you've downloaded it, go ahead and open it. And then we're going to open up our PDF. You can also just go to the PDF itself and open up the other file. But now that we have it open, on the left-hand side, you can see this pen at the bottom left of the toolbar. You just click that, and it gives you three options. You can either draw, have an image, or use your camera to take a photo. You can also click and drag it to make it bigger and change the colors if you like. So if you go to e-sign at the top, it brings up some options. And you'll see on the right, it has that pen again. If you click on that, it has our saved signature. This way we don't have to keep doing this every time we want to sign a PDF. And that's how you sign something using your phone's PDF app. That's how you add a digital signature to your computer, phone, or whatever. This video here is gonna show you how to convert a PDF to a Word document, or this video here is gonna do the reverse of that, of converting a Word document to a PDF. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Good night and best of luck.